The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, kiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Fkjgp University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa, create, inspire.
Confederation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People, ringkat kajing snok tilang, baka Meghalaya State Blood Transfusion Council, Shillong, hakash pautrik nailar aja apun rio, kila pelong ikajing yalang ajing Pynshai, halo kajing Snam Sngewbha. Ya kajing yalang ajing Pynshai, la pelong haki arteli gijaka pulie, Hanongstone, kata St. Francis DCC College, but Hanongstone College. Hakapa ajing Pynshai ru, dekidikon ke Msbtc, but naka blood bank, jong ka civil hospital Nongstone. Ringkat kajing isim mentalang ru, deki samla pulie, jong kini ki college. Kinong ajing Pynshai ki kentom, ya ka members ke 3, jong ka Msbtc, ka Dr. B. Baman, ka program officer, veterinary blood donation, ka Kong Lugrisha Shulai, u in charge ka blood bank Nongstone, u Dr. Eric, u program officer ka Msbtc, Ra'nam Jarwa bat kiway.
Bagian berhak bagian yo jaga simpan siap dan semua bagian senang kebagian semua bagian yo hidup iba koi iba siap unjuru biru degan sunam hai jadi balang di kere balang di rumah bang simbang di bate nang mungkin makan semat ngat kita ban ai dan bantu ni ke senang jompi ngat benda kiwe kesonghaban Dikir hai jadi tentang kajian kepada kerja, buat leksikam Sngewbha leksikam di script di rumah di rocks di teknan mereka jompi dan yo ada kata kajimpa cincang berkurang nang pindah pinopting ban ai yang kesenang jompi leda bukan lepas banyak kebapai kerja pinopting pinopting ban ban smart. Nama sahabat yang ada Snam jom biru, di doktor ini saya lupa. Tapi yang ni anda Snam ini jom Pynshai, Pynshai, ya ke Snam jom Pynshai di dawan kita cek ke Snam jom Pynshai yang ni anda kebetulan air sanitasi kita itu lagi tim. Nama sahabat sini ke Snam di doktor ini cek lupa ya ke Snam jom Pynshai.
So what do you understand by that? Can anyone force you to donate blood? No, right? It is on your own free will. You can go to any blood center. You can donate your blood in order to save the life of someone who is in need. Okay? And then, the first thing I want you to understand is, donating blood is for a noble cause. Okay? Because still today we do not have a factory that can manufacture blood. Or can you go to a pharmacy and buy blood? Or to a hospital? Can you do that? No, right? You can buy medicines, you can buy any medicine that has been prescribed by a doctor. But once you say to buy blood, you will never be able to get it from a pharmacy or a hospital, okay? So today I will clarify all this. So, what is I've explained to you one of the criteria. The eligibility of donating blood is you should be 18 years and above, okay? In order to donate blood, you should be 18 years. Till the age of 65 years, you can donate blood. Okay? And then what is the second criteria? The doctors, we have our doctors, and we have our technicians. We will test your blood, how much of blood count you have in your body. Okay? That is, we will test your hemoglobin. So it should be 12.5 and above. Okay? If it is less than that, you will not be able to donate blood.
Hey! Up! Ruko! Sngewbha Finshet da kajuk ko umpiang balapin Donkam. Apshwa namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamariang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry pimday pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry minta ka ruko neka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpiang syaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata lembaka ruko kakot kakya pat kamariang lu kan ktasyo.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe kathem artali ki jala ha kabenta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phaudli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya kate kathan kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ka khubor balapau perthai ha kabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka leer ka baya bentalang hinray ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artali ki jala menta kis dang pen khre banthaw ya ka joint action plan